I'd like you to meet the cat, the myth, the legend, my grandma.
Hi-de-ho. Oh, welcome to the Dollhouse Spa, Grandma CatRat. We have quite a treat in store for you today.
Oh, my.
It's called the Orange You Amazing Spectacular Bubble Bath.
Oh.
And my special blend of ingredients will make Grandma's fur orangey soft with a sweet orangey scent and an extra special orangey glow.
Well, all that orangey stuff sounds very appealing.
You get it? Orange peel?
I don't get it. Okay, let's get you in.
Oh.
Okay, first up, we need some relaxing sounds. What sound relaxes you, Grandma?
Oh, I love the sound of sweet little birds chirping in the trees.
Oh! My Song of the Woods potion will be just the thing. I just need to figure out which one it is. Let's see. Does this sound like birds chirping in the trees? Nope. That's my Song of the Barnyard potion. Does this sound like birds chirping in the trees? Oh, no. That's my Song of the City potion. Let's try this one. Does this sound like birds chirping in the trees? Yes! This is it! Get ready, Grandma.
Ah, so relaxing.
Now we just need to add the special ingredients. I'll add the extra bubbles. You can never have too many bubbles. Next, Gabby, you'll toss in the peachy pearls. This'll make Grandma's fur extra soft. Pandy, you'll swirl in the orange blossoms. Don't they just smell divine?
Divine.
And for you, CatRat, the Orange You Amazing potion to give Grandma's fur that extra orangey glow. It's the most important ingredient.
The most important ingredient, you say? Well, then you definitely gave this to the right cat. I'm ready.
Then let's do it.
Bubbles and pearls, then add in a swirl of blossoms.
And a dash of orange. Blossoms and a dash of orange.
Ah.
Bubbles and pearls, then add in a swirl of blossoms and a dash of orange.
Blossoms and a dash of orange. Oh, no. I'm all out.
Not to worry. There's a fresh bottle over there on the shelf.
Great. Back in a flash. Orange, 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 orange. Orange, orange. Oh, polka dots. This one will be even better because Grandma loves polka dots. Only the best for my grandma. I'm ready.
Bubbles and pearls, then add in a swirl of
Blossoms and a dash of dotty. Blossoms and a dash of dotty.
Woohoo!
CatRat, that's not the orange potion.
I thought she would like the dotty one better.
Oh, dear. Oh, let's get you out of the tub, Grandma, before you get too, colorful. So, how you doing in there, Grandma?
I feel meowsing.
Oh boy.
What?
Why don't you have a look?
Oh, my. It's not at all what I expected, but I absolutely love it.
You do?
Of course I do. Polka dots are my thing. They make me feel so happy. Hacha! I know this isn't what you all planned, but sometimes you've just got to open your eyes to a fun new surprise.
I love you, Grandma.
I love you too, my little cat ratty.
Aww.
Oh, get in here, you three.
Yay!
Oh, this was the best day ever.